Welcome everybody. Although educational, this video is gross. Viewer discretion is advised. Today we've got some top pops from the subreddit Popping. Check out the credits if you're interested in seeing the original source videos. I'll show you a clip and then give you a short explanation. Here we go. Epic Facezit. It took them over a minute to squeeze out all of the keratin and sebum contained within. It's hard to tell, but the patient may have cystic acne or solar comedones, neither of which are easy to treat. Here we have an Unfelloweth, or belly button stone. It's a stone-like mass made of keratin and sebum, which oxidizes and turns black. They are fairly uncommon and not usually bothersome unless they become infected. This one's called Pulling Things Out of Mind. The description implied it was something made by the body, but it looks to be a piece of iodoform gauze used to pack wounds. Although I think the title was a Harry Potter reference. Maybe. Here are some blackheads, or open comedones, being treated by Auburn Medical Group. This is how the pros do it, with an extractor and proper precautions. Nice job, guys. This one wins for best title. Whoa. Well, the zit didn't look infected, but judging by those Q-tips, it probably is now. Quick public service announcement: if you have to pop zits, be careful. Use an extractor for blackheads. And just be aware that popping whiteheads and cysts can lead to scarring, infection, and secondary infection. So it's best left to the professionals. Which one did you think was the best, or worst? Comment below. Thanks for watching, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, we have new videos every week, and we will see you next time. Adios.